Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics for Neet effectively. First, thoroughly understand the Neet physics syllabus to identify key topics and their weightage. Next, prioritize building strong conceptual clarity before attempting any numerical problems. Finally, create a structured study timetable, dedicating at least 2 hours daily to physics, ensuring consistent progress and comprehensive coverage of all units. To truly excel, practice daily with a wide variety of numerical problems, starting with easier ones and gradually moving to complex questions. Regularly revise all formulas and important derivations. Flashcards can be very helpful here. Dedicate at least 1 hour weekly to solving previous year's question papers, which helps you understand the exam pattern and time management for the 180 questions. When solving problems, analyze your mistakes from practice tests to understand where you went wrong and improve accuracy. Maintain a dedicated notebook for all important formulas, key concepts, and tricky problems for quick revision. Do not hesitate to seek clarification on difficult topics from your teachers or study partners. Understanding every concept is crucial for scoring well in the 45 physics questions. Finally, develop a strong time management strategy for the actual exam, aiming to complete the physics section within 50 minutes. Stay calm and confident throughout your preparation journey, trusting in your hard work and consistent efforts. Remember to prioritize your health and well-being, including adequate sleep and a balanced diet, as these are vital for optimal performance on exam day.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.